What's going on YouTube? Vick Almighty here with my first episode of Shoe Cleaning Academy. I am super excited about today's cleaning because I am going to be showing you guys how to properly clean these Air Jordan Travis Scott 4s. This is where it all started for Cactus Jack as his first collaboration with Jordan brand. At this point though, it seems like ancient history because Travis Scott has done other collaborations with Nike SB, Nike, and Jordan brand since then. In my opinion though, this is one of the more underrated colorways from the Travis Scott collaborations, but don't sleep on this shoe. When the shoe first released, I was so inspired by it that I had to go and create my own version on an Air Jordan 3 custom that I recently gave away on Reshoevn8er Day. This colorway was inspired by the Houston Oilers and they retail at $225. They went up in value at one point to just over $1,700. Today, these are still reselling at over $1,000, which is a testament of the staying power of Travis Scott releases. For today's cleaning video, we're gonna be using two of Reshoevn8er's cleaning kits. The first one is our essential shoe cleaning kit to properly clean the soles and midsoles. Then we'll be using our dry suede cleaning kit to properly clean the delicate suede on these shoes. And lastly, at the end of this video, we are giving away our grand display case. This case is amazing to display your vintage kicks, custom shoes, anything high-end. Pretty much anything looks awesome in these display boxes. Stick around to the end of the video to see how you can enter to win one of those bad boys. Without further ado, let's get started with the cleaning. The first thing we gotta do, you guys, is put maybe this shoe to the side. Doesn't really matter, just for before and after purposes. Next, we're gonna remove our laces, insole, and insert our shoe tree. Shoe tree's in, we're looking good. We also have our medium bristle, stiff bristle, soft bristle, our 4-ounce bottle solution, and our towel, all from our essential shoe cleaning kit, ready to go. And we have our suede brush and suede eraser from our dry suede cleaning kit. And of course, our mat and bowl, all stuff needed to get this cleaning done properly. The first thing we're gonna do, you guys, is grab our suede brush. We're simply gonna just brush off all the dirt from the suede, every area before we do anything else. All right, that looks a lot better. We got all that surface grime and dirt off the shoe. Still not perfect. We got a lot of dark areas in the ankle area. Just all around the shoe is still pretty dirty. I want the shoe to be as clean as possible. Of course, we are not putting the shoe in the washing machine. That'll completely ruin the suede, but I want the insides to be clean. So before we do anything else, I'm gonna take out the shoe tree and simply vacuum up the insides. All done with that step. It's not a required step, but it definitely helps get a much cleaner shoe. Again, when I was vacuuming the insides, there was just so much random stuff, sock lint, grass, little rocks. It definitely helped get the shoe a lot cleaner. The next step we're gonna do, you guys, is take care of these soles. They're super dirty. Before I do anything else, is quickly, with a little pair of scissors, poke out all these little pebble rocks out of the grooves, and then we'll go at it to clean out these outsoles. We'll be using our 4-ounce bottle solution and our stiff bristle brush. For this step though, you're gonna wanna be very careful. When we're cleaning it, we're gonna wanna keep the shoe pointing up to not let any of the solution or water drip onto the uppers. If any of that stuff drips onto the uppers, it's gonna leave a water stain and it's gonna possibly ruin the suede. So we're gonna be very careful. Good to go with these soles, you guys. They are nice and clean. The paws on the bottom are yellow due to oxidation. I'm not too worried about that. I'm not gonna go and remove that just because this is not a Monday restoration video. All done with the soles. Before we move on to the uppers on the shoe, we're gonna grab our insole and laces and give it a nice scrubbing using our soft bristle brush. All right, good to go with the insoles and laces. Like I mentioned, I do want to get the shoe as clean as possible, so I am going to be putting the insole and lace inside the washing machine later. Put that to the side. Put all our cleaning supplies to the side as well, because we're done with the essential shoe cleaning kit. Now we're only going to be focusing on our suede brush and our suede eraser. When you get these uppers, perfectly cleaned up. We'll get the soles all good to go. Insides are nicely vacuumed. The insole and lace are gonna go in the washing machine and get those perfectly cleaned up. Now we're just gonna focus on the suede. Simply what we're gonna do is pretty much just erase all the dirty marks off the shoe. The suede eraser is pretty good. It's not gonna mess up the suede on the shoe, so you could go back and forth, it won't ruin it. But on other suedes, you do wanna be careful. The suede looks excellent on this shoe. It was super dingy, super dirty, covered in grime, covered in dust, a lot of like everyday wear. Luckily, all that stuff came off using our suede eraser and our suede brush. Honestly, that's the only way to clean this shoe. The suede is super delicate, you guys. If you get solution, water, or anything wet on the shoe, it automatically fades it, gets rid of that original buttery texture on the shoe. The only way to do it is a suede eraser and a suede brush, you guys. As you can see, these are some good results all around. The suede is still super buttery all around. It feels and it looks factory. The next thing we're gonna do is move on to cleaning up these midsoles. I don't wanna use a brush or solution because it's too close to the suede. It might ruin it, so we'll be using our sneaker wipes. Details on the shoe are all cleaned up thanks to our sneaker wipes. We took care of the soles, the midsoles, the tabs, and the wings. We had to use a sneaker wipe so we wouldn't get too close to the suede if we use solution or water. Here's a quick update on where we're at. Shoe was trash, man. Creasing, dirt, grime, all of the above. It's looking pretty solid. All we gotta do now is grab our insole and laces, throw in the washing machine, come back and lace it up. Alright guys, that is going to bring us to an end on this episode's Shoe Care Academy. Originally, these Travis Scott Air Jordan 4s were super cooked. If you guys know anything about these shoes, you guys know how delicate the suede on these are. If you get any water or certain stains on them, good chance it's not going to come out, or it turns the suede really rough, or it fades it completely. The only way to bring them back to life is by using our dry suede kit, and that's exactly what we did. We brushed off all the dirt and grime using the suede brush, and then we went at it using our suede eraser. Take some time, you gotta be really patient, but the results are worth it. We hit it all around, we brought the blue back to blue. Originally, it was pretty much gray, covered in dirt, covered in dingy marks, covered in grime. You know, it was just really, really, really bad condition. Let's put that to the side. Over here, the shoe's back to blue, you guys. That's the main thing with this shoe. Not only is it back to blue, but it is literally back to factory soft. Super soft all around. And not just that, the soles cleaned up perfectly as well, using our essential shoe cleaning kit and using our wipes for the plastic areas in the shoe, so we wouldn't get any of these areas wet potentially. You can find all the stuff you see right here at reshoeminator.com. Now it's time to get into the giveaway. To win our all new dry suede kit, all you gotta do is comment down below your favorite Travis Scott song of all time with your Instagram handle. You have 48 hours from the time of this posting, and our social media team will reach out to the winner via DM on Instagram. This is Vick Almighty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys on Monday.